How you doing? My name is Carlos from NVS Audio, New Jersey, and today I just wanted to make a video talking about the new Metra DSP. This is the AX DSP from Metra, and the reason I wanted to talk about it is I was fixing a car that came in this week, and I'm realizing that a lot of people out there don't realize that there are solutions. So before all you Metra haters jump all over me, I want you guys to understand that I'm only talking about this one today because of the price. Something that I saw in a customer's car really bothered me. Realized that a lot of you out there don't realize there's solutions at certain price points. As you can tell up here, I'm an authorized dealer for at least 10 DSPs on the market. These are the ones that we currently have in stock. We have the Helix DSP Pro MK2. We have the Hertz H8 DSP. We have the Phoenix Gold 8.8 DSP. We have the Audison Bit 1. We have the Arc Audio PSM. We have the LDQ4 by Audio Mobile. We have the Bit 10 by Audison. We do a lot of processors here at the shop. The reason I'm not speaking about these is I'm trying to hit a specific price point, and it's a perfect example of a customer that came in with a $1,500 setup done by another shop, and where they should have used something like this to hit the budget. Instead, they use this regular $10 line load converter to get signal from the factory radio. The car we're talking about is a brand new 2017 Toyota Tacoma. And then the most disturbing part, please stop using these. These things have been out since I started in the 90s. We're talking about the Clarion 7-band equalizer and the Clarion crossover 6 in, 6 out. There's nothing wrong with these units. But if you're doing an older car and this is what you want to use, fine. This was a brand new car. Doesn't make sense because these two pieces together cost the same as this piece. This piece is less than $300. These two together, they're $300. Rockford also makes a DSP that's $249 retail, which gives you, I believe it's 6 in, 5 out. So, and there's T-harnesses available. The Metra one's even easier to use because every time you guys go to install a radio, you have to go on the Metra website and put in your car's information. If they make a harness for the car, because the DSP itself is universal, if they make a harness for the car, it'll show up. They make a harness for this Toyota. So that means you can plug this in behind the radio. 1, 2, 3. This gives you 7 bands of equalization. This gives you 31. This gives you crossover points for front, rear, and sub with some adjustability. This lets you pick whatever crossover points you want, and it's selectable. It's tuned via Bluetooth using your iPad or your phone. There's really no excuse for not using a DSP now. They're so affordable. They're so easy to use. They offer T-harnesses for the most popular cars out there. So you literally plug this in, and then you get your RCA out, just like your aftermarket radio would give you. Then you go in with the app and you set up your crossover points. Simple. This is the configuration screen. Easy. This is the equalization screen. Easy. I don't understand why people are still using the wrong solutions when the right solution is available from many manufacturers out there. I mean, as a customer, please make sure you're going to the right shop to get your vehicle worked on. As a shop or an installer, please make sure that you're providing the best solutions for your customers. This piece does not have a ton of features. It's got a lot of features, but not like the big boy DSPs that retail for $1,000 or $1,500 or $800. It's a simple piece, but it gives you the basic tools to make the car sound good. There's line load converter. This is fine if you're adding a subwoofer. This car that we're fixing now has 2 amplifiers in it. It has front components, it has rear components, and has a subwoofer. Using a factory radio. Since they used this, the customer lost the ability to fade front to rear. He has no subwoofer level control. I have no idea why. Another thing that's nice about using the Metra app, let's say it's a car you can't drill a hole in the dashboard to mount the bass knob. You can control the volume of the sub from your phone. It's easy, it's simple. I'll get more into it in another video. Just had to make this quick video because it made me very upset. It is a brand new truck. You're going to see the build pictures later on in the week. It's a brand new truck. The customer spent his money. He's not happy. The install looks horrible. It sounds horrible. And it's fixable. It was easy. There's stuff for this vehicle that drop and fit that I can fix this truck. It's going to be under $2,000, including a DSP, including labor, including new speakers. It's not. We have a pretty high labor rate over here. We're at $125 an hour. So shops that are at $60, $70, $80 an hour can do this vehicle for like $1,000 with using the right equipment. There's really no excuse. Hope this helps somebody. See you next week.